How to clear search history on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can delete or clear your search history on YouTube. So then, to begin with, check your internet connection and then log into your YouTube account. After you're logged in, it's gonna take you to the home page. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see manage all history. Go ahead and tap on it and select the particular account that your YouTube account is currently registered to. That is going to take you to this page where you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see all of your search history as well as watch history. So these are all your history. Now you can see right on top you had this option as delete right in the corner if you're sure about deleting it. So you can delete it, just the search history or the watch history of today, or you can just customize the range, or you can delete the all-time watch history. So if you want to delete all-time watch history, then you'll need to go ahead and select it all and then delete. Tap on the delete button. Once again, tap on the coded button, and after that the search history has been deleted. So similarly, you can also do this auto delete process. So you can select the time range, maybe 3 month or maybe 18 month, whatever. So after that, it's gonna delete your search history. So click on the next button in order to confirm it, and click on confirm once again. After that, the search history has been deleted. We've also enabled auto delete mode. So in this way, you can delete search history on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.